Does coaching seem like a buzzword? Maybe it feels like something you hear everywhere but rarely see in action. Or perhaps you believe coaching is for those who don't know what they're doing. But here's the truth. Coaching does not stand between you and your goals. It stands with you. Coaching is not a barrier. It is an accelerator. It does not replace your abilities. It enhances them. It does not take control of your journey. It guides you through it with wisdom, structure, and accountability. Yet, in many communities, coaching is seen as a waste of money, something only weak or clueless people seek. But think about it. Would you enter a jungle without a guide? Would you start a new business, career, or life-changing project without a strategy? Those who reject coaching often struggle alone, making costly mistakes, losing time, and exhausting their energy. Meanwhile, those who embrace coaching move faster, smoother, and with fewer setbacks. Coaching is for the strong, the proactive, and the wise. Try coaching, not because you are lost, but because you want to get further, faster, and with clarity. P.S. The professionals who dedicate their lives to coaching come from diverse backgrounds: business, psychology, leadership development, sports, and personal growth. They are certified life coaches, executive coaches, career coaches, and performance coaches. Seek them out and accelerate your endeavors. It's all part of the growth process. Will you take it?